who charge the kitchen of the Shangri-La Hotel and the Bulgari Hotel. I just want to share what is my vision for the future, and it's so much important for me to share this message with you, because I truly believe we're going through a challenging time, and nature is taking it back what we own to her, you know. So our responsibility is to nourish the planet and to be reciprocal to the guests in order to supply food that is good for the soul, good for the body. Organic food, genuine food, natural food. More and more customers are defining the restaurants by the product that the restaurant use, and I personally think using natural product is very important, because we owe to our customers the responsibility to also give them genuine and healthy food, you know, to nourish the body, to heal the body when they come to our restaurants. That the whole experience should be the right kind. The food should be tasty, and the product that we serve to our guests should be genuine, fresh, natural. And this is very important. We owe it to the world, we owe it to our mother nature, we owe it to our customers, and we owe it to ourselves. Because working with natural products, working with organic products are super good. And it's super good for our guests too. And especially also with the help of Dilmah, you know, developing special recipe and using the tea in our recipe in order to formulate new ingredients and new flavor. And Dilmah can live this value very well. They supply high quality tea. Thank you very much, and I wish you successful career.